My name is Kristen Wenzel, and I'm the chair of LaSalle's accounting department. As a proud alum of LaSalle University, I take great pride in our accounting program. Our curriculum focuses on applied and practical education with an emphasis on experiential learning experiences. We have a tremendous history of excellence in the classroom amongst our teachers, and we also have a tremendous and rich history of producing outstanding graduates. Our graduates go on to become partners at Big Four accounting firms. They are CEOs and CFOs of Fortune 500 companies. They are small business leaders. They are entrepreneurs. The best part about our alumni base is that they come back and they give back to our students. They mentor our students through our accounting clubs, and more importantly, they hire our students. They talk to them about various career paths so that whatever your interest is in the accounting field or in the business world, we have someone who can mentor you and can talk to you about that particular career path. Every fall, we focus on Fall Network Night event. This past year, we had 41 firms who came and talked to our students about different career paths in accounting. More importantly, they come back and they interview our students right on campus, and our students go out and enjoy co-op experiences and full-time job offers. Our strong alumni base come back on campus and support our students in a variety of ways, but most importantly, they hire our students. 96% of our graduating class in 2019 had jobs at graduation or were going on to graduate school. In addition to the traditional four-year Bachelor's of Science degree in accounting, we also offer a unique four-year BS MBA program. This program targets high-ability high school seniors who follow an accelerated, customized path, and they're able to achieve their Bachelor's of Science in Accounting in 3 years and then go on to earn their MBA in their fourth year here at LaSalle University. This program is meant for highly motivated individuals, but it allows them to meet the 150 credit hour requirement for becoming a licensed CPA, while also offering great value because they earn 2 degrees in 4 years. Overall, LaSalle's accounting program offers our students a competitive edge in the job market while also providing them with an education that is rich in LaSallian values. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the fall.